Hi guys, welcome back again. Fourth installation, I guess, of rebuilding the camper restoration, whatever we're calling it. Today I'm going to focus on getting the wallpaper, the remaining wallpaper off. I think I'm going to leave that because I don't want to work around this, but I may take that off and I may take this wall back here off where the TV is. This wall's coming off. This up here behind the cabinet peeled off real easy. I don't know about real easy, you talk about 20 minutes, but most of it came off in sheets. I'm gonna leave all the wallpaper under here, probably just clean that and paint that. That's it, let's get going. I wanna pull this off, but there's no, like on this other side, there's a screw up here. I wonder if that's because they think you're gonna hold up. There's actually two, there's one back there. But let's see if we can't see what they did. Isn't that a screw? Yeah, that's a screw. How did they? Oh, they screwed up from the bottom. Huh. Well, let's see how far they did that. Oh, that is a long screw. Can't believe that didn't poke me. All right, oh, there we go. That's off. Alright, those won't be able to bite me now when I'm up here working. Need a fresh blade on this thing. Perfect. Heating it up seems to make it less brittle, more pliable. Turns pretty rubbery. You can get the wrinkles out too in the corners, like up here. If it's not all burnt up, you can heat this up with a blow dryer, and you can take a scraper and you can scrape them flat, and they'll flatten out. It's a little more tedious in the burnt spots here. I think I'm going to just try to do the best I can. Get to it. Put this vent in here because originally the vent was way down here on the bottom, way down here, and when the blankets and everything in here, it would just plug that up. You won't get any heat out of it, so I just boxed in like a riser basically and got another vent and put it up top. It's filthy back there. I'm gonna have to clean that. Just keep going here. If I can pull this whole thing off and then clean behind it. I need to get this corner off. Get this thing out of here. Oh, come on. That duct is still connected. I don't remember if I glued this on here. Kind of feels like I did. Double-sided tape. Double-sided tape. Okay. Where's my drill? Okay, duct is off. Maybe we'll see if we can't just duct that whole thing up and not have this contraption here somehow. Oh, no. Just wait. Say okay a lot, don't I? Okay. Okay. Look behind there. It should be dirty as AF. That's dirt. What do you think? Or slime? Just a little. Pretty dirty. Hey, all right. Well, I think I'm going to actually call it for today. I was going to do a little more now that I got that panel off, but I'm going to go get me some to drink because I am thirsty, and then we'll see you tomorrow. All right, y'all. We are back. This is day 2 here. I don't even remember. Oh, I got that wall panel off. That is now in the garage underneath that piece of foam. I painted the backside white. I have some drywall mud down there that I'm going to seal this grain with. Right now I'm putting in the foam. I'm using, on the foam, I'm using Weldwood contact cement. I took all these and I painted on them because the Weldwood is alcohol based, and when you put it on this, it eats it. Ask me how I know. So this primer coat on here will keep it from eating it. So I'm going to go ahead and install these. I got all of them cut. That one's cut. That one's cut. That's cut. That's cut. And they all have primer on them right now. Oh, I don't have that one cut or that one cut. I'll get those done and stuck in. And then I'm just going to put a layer of primer on these up here. So that's what I'm up to. Let's get going. I'm using bin primer, Zinsser's. It's shellac based. Sticks to anything, sticks to glass. You need a good primer. It's a little on the expensive side. I've just got a little, what is this, 6-inch foam roller right now that I'm using. I don't care if I paint the ceiling. That's getting removed. This paint primer dries super quick too. You can paint over it in 45 minutes. The viscosity of this primer is pretty thin, but it covers really well. This will be hidden behind the microwave. Yeah, you can really see the grain on this. I'm definitely gonna fill these. Save your paint rolls. Stick them in a bag. They last for quite a while. This one's been in here for 3-4 days, maybe. Just put it in there and then make it tight. Seal it off and then roll it up a little bit. Open the rubber cement. Alrighty then. I wonder if this is gonna soften up. Schmelle. Gotta put this on here. Put it on the wall as well. I don't think you have to be sparing with this. I think they've said if you have porous surfaces that you should go over it twice. All right, piece of wood. All right, you can see where if the contact cement hits this stuff, how it eats it away. There's a little spot right there too. But we just have to wait till this gets tacky and then we'll stick these on. While this waits, I'm gonna go cut those. Let's see what we got. Perfect. Let's see if we can put this in. See if it sticks. Where is that one? Where is it? I'm lost. Oh, I didn't glue that one up yet. It's sitting out on the table. Where's that one? That's this one. It's a little sticky. So we have to put, it has to be shoved back there. Perfect. And then pushed in. Nice. Awesome. All right, let's do the other two. This little one in the corner, I haven't had it all the way in, but I'm thinking it'll fit. Maybe I'm gonna cut a little off of this. Where's my knife? Knife, where'd you go? How did I lose? I was just using it, like literally just using it. Huh. Oh, it's it's right here. That one's in there. Alrighty, folks. Let's glue these other ones up. Okay. Alright, all the glue's on. Wait for about 10 or 15 minutes. Let's stick it on. One. Oh, she's flush. Here we go. The corner in first. Nice. There she is. Still soft and fluffy. Whoa, might as well prime that bare wood in the cabinet too, huh? This little sponge roller holds a ton of this paint. We're done. Wrap it around it again and pull out my put the lid on. There it is. It's ready to put adhesive on and add the wall board. That'd be good. Next, let's put drywall on the panel that we have off in here and smooth it out. It's in the garage right now on the trash can. I don't like the finish that just painting over the wood gives me. I can still see the grain in it. We'll just fill it and then let it sit, and then we can probably even finish paint it. So this hole is where the original duct was. I put some contact cement on a piece of wood and stuck it to the back, and then we're just gonna fill this. There's some raised edges on this, so I'm just gonna take my saw or drill or whatever, grind those down to make a little recess in there that the drywall can go into, so it's not raised. And I'm going to do that. Get the edge here too to take there's a burr on it. Oh, my battery came off. This battery must not have the clips on it. We're just going to do that on all these screw holes that are out here. As long as they're all recessed or not protruding, we'll be good. I think that's it. Outlets are going back in. Let's skim coat this thing, I think. The drywall I have came with a little 4-inch plastic knife, which works, but to cover this hole over here, not quite. So my sister has their tile trowel. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use that. We're just putting a skim coat on this, just to fill in the grain. Let's see if I can flatten this out down here. That'll be good. And we'll just go over it with another coat. We don't want any left on it, so really scrape it off. That looks good to me. So what do we got? It looks pretty good. We'll just wait for a few minutes. I'm gonna sand that and then we'll go over it again. All of the screw holes filled in. that's all we need. This is supposed to be low dimpling. Maybe we'll hit those screw heads again in case it does set back in. You can see it's pretty much dried over there. It's flat already. So we'll wait and then we'll finish this part here and then we'll sand it and paint it. Hey guys, all right, I'm gonna wrap this one up here. I was waiting for that drywall mud to dry and I ended up going to the store and doing some other errands. So I ordered some, this is the wall color up here. And you can see, I don't know if you can see, yeah, see the shine on that? I don't like the shine. So I ordered some talc. We're gonna get some talc in and we're gonna take the sheen on that down to like eggshell or something. I guess that might be here tomorrow or something like that. I'm not sure. But anyway, that's gonna be it, guys. So thanks for joining me again. Stay curious, chase the sun. I'll see you around the bend. Bye.